Hello friends, how you all? I'm back again with yet another super handy guide. It's time to learn how to enable Secure Boot on Windows 11. Enabling Secure Boot is important for security and is a must-have requirement for Windows 11. Here is a step-by-step guide to enable it on your PC. So first up, you have to restart your computer and enter BIOS aka Basic Input and Output System. As it reboots, you have to press the designated key, usually delete or F2 or escape key to enter the BIOS or UEFI settings. And in the BIOS menu, navigate to the Security or Boot tab. Here you will find the option for Secure Boot. And then you have to enable Secure Boot. Ensure that Secure Boot is set to enable. If it is disabled, select the option and then change it to enabled. And then you have to set the boot mode to UEFI. If your system is legacy mode, make sure to switch it to UEFI. This is required for Secure Boot to function properly. And once you have enabled Secure Boot, make sure to save the changes in BIOS and exit. Your PC will now restart with Secure Boot enabled. And that's about it. Your PC is now more secure with Secure Boot enabled. If you are installing Windows 11 or upgrading, this ensures your system meets the security requirements. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have your time. Bye-bye.